Hey, it's Bill from Handwritten Wines. So, have you ever used one of our traditional wine keys and actually drilled right through your cork? And then you get all those little particles of cork in there. It's never fun to have to filter those out. I'm gonna give you a little tip, and this is gonna be a tip that's gonna change your wine life. You're gonna use an Osso. So you can buy these online. It is a great tool for older vintage wines. Cork is a natural product, and after years of aging a wine, you're gonna get sometimes the corks get a little soft. They're gonna crumble a little bit. So this is gonna be a tool that's gonna help you with that issue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Osso. There's a longer prong, there's a shorter prong. So you're gonna grab your bottle of wine. You're gonna put the longer prong in between the cork and the neck of the bottle. You're gonna kind of wiggle it in there. Then you're gonna put that shorter prong on the other side. And then you're gonna wiggle it down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And as you get that down there, the prongs are gonna cradle that cork as you pull it out. So you pull out your cork and you pop the wine, and that cork stays all in one piece. Go ahead and get that wine cork smell. Make sure it's good. Pour yourself a glass. And that's how you use an Osso and always have the best wine. Cheers.